how are you? I am back again and I am holding a giant advent calendar because today we are unboxing the Wuka, I think that's how you pronounce it, advent calendar. This is actually a period positive advent calendar and I think it's pretty cool and pretty useful. So I thought we would unbox it together. So here it is. This is what it looks like on the front. This is what it looks like on the back, and it is absolutely ginormous. So if you don't know who Wuka are, they are the UK's leading period wear brand. Basically, they make period pants and they also make period swimwear too. I think it's really cool. I wish period pants had existed when I was younger. I can remember literally being in school wearing a sanitary towel and being just so paranoid that I was going to leak. Whereas I feel like if I had period pants, I would have like double protection and just always know I was protected. And also those days where you're like, is my period gonna start? Has my period ended? Period pants are perfect for that too. People just find them an absolute game changer, more comfortable, more secure, more everything. And they are also much better for the environment. So this is a 12-day advent calendar. It is worth £180, but it's being sold for £130, which is 27% off. It contains a selection of their period pants as well as some other items. So we'll go through it all, we'll have a chat about it. And what I really like about this advent calendar is that it is available in multiple sizes. You can get it from a size extra small to I think a 2XL. Yeah, a 2XL. And then as well as the period pants, it contains some other treats as well. So there's a little bit of practicality, a little bit of fun in here. So yeah, let's get unboxing. And of course the shopping link will be in the description box below. For the moment of truth. Here it is. Here it is. Hello, look at that. That's a really fun and pretty advent calendar, don't you think? I love the colours. So I'm going to unbox this advent calendar in no particular order. I'm just going to see where the wind takes me. Also, if there is anything in this advent calendar that you don't like or doesn't fit you, for instance, I know there is a thong in here and I do not wear thongs, don't worry because you can email them and get them swapped for an alternative like product. So that is really cool as well, because if you know there's something that you're like, this isn't for me, get it swapped, no biggie. So I think I'm just going to start right in the middle with this first item here. This is a pair of the Super Stretch Heavy Flow briefs. Look at this. So this is incredible. Basically, these are so stretchy that they fit a size extra small to a large. They also work for heavy flow, and wearing a pair of these gives you protection for up to 12 hours, and it's the equivalent of wearing 4 tampons or 3 towels, which is incredible. So you don't have to wear tampons, you don't have to wear towels. It basically is like saving you money, saving the environment, and also making you just feel more secure in your period. So these are really stretchy and they do fit from a size extra small to a large. So let's open them up and see if I think they'll fit me, because I am an 18 and I'm thinking that they could be a bit snug on me, but we'll see. They are stretchy actually. You know when you're like, they could be stretchy. At first glance, I'm like, they're not going to fit me. But actually, they are really stretchy, so they may work. And here is the gusset. Like, it just looks like a regular pair of pants, but you can feel that there's like kind of almost like padding in the gusset. And yeah, protects you from like leaking all over yourself. It's incredible. There's also something else in this box. What is this? Oh, chocolate. I didn't see that coming. There we go. Blood orange chocolate. Amazing. Oh, it's like they're giving us an advent calendar of practicality and joy and giving us something festive. A chocolate advent calendar. Amazing. Okay, let's see what we've got next. So in here we have another pair of period pants. This is, I think, the thong. Yeah, I'm so unused to a thong that I'm like, I think it's a thong. It is a thong. I am going to email them and get this swapped because I don't wear thongs. So I will put these back in the box, get them swapped. But if you are a thong lover, then they're in here for you. So next up, I'm going to go for this big box because, I don't know, it's just tempting me. And what is in here? Oh, cool. These are heat patches. So for when you have a period, you can shove these in your pants and get a little bit of a relief from period pain. So that is the next thing. And then next up, what is in here? I think it's another pair of pants. So these are, I think, just a pair of general briefs. And yeah, these are a stretch boxer. And again, for heavy flow, sizes extra small to large. And yeah, these feel stretchy enough for my big old bum. Oh my god, everything's tipping out onto me. It's all gone haywire here. Okay, next up, let's open this one. This is box number 12. And in here we have, oh, cool. These are Wuka. Am I pronouncing that completely wrong? These are cycle care gummies and these are immunity support. I'm not going to lie, I need them right now. I feel like I am coming down with a cold. How many is in here? This is 60 gummies. That's amazing. Is this enough for 1 or 2 per day? Serving size 1 gummy, so this is enough for 2 months supply of immunity. We need that. Then next up, what's in this one? Oh, cool. It's a swimming cap. There we go. So when you go swimming, you don't have to mess around with your hair. And then next up, box number 5. This is, oh, cool. This is more supplements. This is the Wuka hormone support. And again, this is 60 gummies and you use serving size 2 per day. So this will last you a month and that is for hormone support. Okay, inside the next box, I am not actually sure what this is. I think it's either to put your pants in before you wash them or it's for when you're swimming. I'm just not sure. I'm going to have to look at the website, figure out what it is. And once I've figured out what it is, I'll put it in the description box below. So yeah, go have a look if you want to know what it is. Then inside the next box, what have we got? Oh, cool. More supplements. These are for energy. I love this. I need this. 60 gummies again. So this is enough for 1 month's supply. But you know what? You could probably just take them as and when you feel the need. Like maybe around your cycle. Who knows? Or you could just take them every day. Oh, more pants. Great. Okay, so we've got more pants. These are... What flow are these? These are super heavy flow. And these are a stretch midi brief. I'm honestly shocked at how stretchy these bad boys are. And yeah, there's some good padding going on there. It is incredible that we can literally not wear tampons, towels, moon cups and just wear pants. That's incredible. Anyway, on to the next box. So this is the second to last box. In here we've got, oh, more pants. More pants. So this is, what have we got here? Oh, these are for swimming. Okay, cool. So these are for sports and swimming. And yeah, these are a size medium. And they are, yeah, a brief. So you can either wear them as a bikini or I guess you can wear them when you're like running and stuff as well. Who knows? But they're for sports and activewear. So I'm guessing you can wear for swimming or you can just wear them, you know, when you're doing activewear. Who knows? But either way, we've got them. So that's pretty cool. And then here is the final box. And I think we've got some more period pants. Oh, no, we don't. Okay, I think this might be... Oh, yeah, I think this is a swimming bag. So that is for putting your pants in when you're swimming. So yeah, that is the next item. Or you could probably use this for when you're traveling and put like yesterday's pants in here to kind of keep them safe and away. This is for when you are swimming, so that is really handy. But yeah, that is the entire box. I think it's incredible. Period pants are honestly a game changer. They're better for the planet, better for your pocket, better for everything. And yeah, these are the leading guys in the UK for period pants. And yeah, I think you get a really good amount of pants. You can swap any that you don't want. So for instance, I don't want a thong. So I'm going to swap them for a pair of briefs. And yeah, it's good to get supplements. Let's be honest. It's good to get some heat patches. It's a winner. It's a winner. I love it. And that is it. So I will put the shopping link below. And if you're interested in just buying some period pants in general, they've got a Black Friday sale on at the moment in like, so you can just order yourself some just to try them out. Or the advent calendar is a really good deal if you want to just go all in and get everything. And yeah, that's my video. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Goodbye.